In this video, we're going to learn how to scramble eggs like a boss. Hi again. I've already opened a few eggs here in the bowl, and I'm going to suggest that we add just a touch of mayonnaise. And here's what I mean by just a tad. Then what you want to do is you want to break each of the yolks and thoroughly incorporate the mayo into the eggs. As soon as it's all incorporated, we'll move over to the heat. I am going to add a little bit of butter at the bottom of the pan. Hey, don't judge me. As you can see, the butter has got nice and melted, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of the egg. I like to do scrambled eggs or omelets on a medium-high temperature, but we're just going to scramble them here. What I do is as the bottom layer of the egg starts to cook, I just move it over to the side, allowing fresh, uncooked mixed egg to gain surface with the pan. Now here's where you flip it over, and I would turn the heat off at this point. Now's the time that you can add your salt and pepper. And the eggs are still cooking. And they'll actually cook a little bit longer on the plate. Now these have been off the heat for about a minute. But there you go. Perfectly, well, in my humble opinion, perfectly cooked scrambled eggs in less than a minute, or less than 2 minutes. I hope this has been helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.